wandering down a street in Haikou. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Haikou. By the time you view this, I'll be gone. I'll be gone, but I miss you, Haikou. Haikou streets filled with narrow homes. Love the vibe, love the energy. Walking down a street in Haikou. By the time you view this, I'll be gone. I'll be gone, but I miss you, Haikou. Take a stroll in Haikou, it's what you need. Motivate your mind, Haikou streets.
So on the map, I thought Zhongshan was this other street that was right over there, just which is actually like Jilao Street. But for some reason this says Zhongshan, these little alleys. So we're going to be going down in there, and then this is just something that's also kind of interesting over here. All these little markets all up and down the street. There's the clock tower directly over on that side near the river. But this one we're going to go into these alleys. So I guess it's called Zhongshan Street, and it's also called the Deishansha community. So let's check that all out. Haikou, Hainan, China. We're going to be walking down some really narrow alleys. We'll put it up on the map. We're kind of in this area. You can see that. I'm not going to identify it because I'm kind of just meandering around. But I'm in this area, and that's where most of the tourists go anyways. It's all the hotels, and that's where you want to be. So I'm going to be just walking around the camera, exploring. And I also am going to put the lyrics up so you can see that. That'll be coming up in a minute. And just to let you know, I have, I think there's 19 videos total. We're not even halfway through yet. It's all filmed December 2024, which is just a few months ago. And without further ado, let's just get into the walk and talk. And you can see these narrow alleys of Haikou and the narration part in the walk and talk as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Haikou. Okay, Zhongshan Street. So we're going to be going down that way. Down this little alley. Okay. Before we go down, I'll show you where we're. Okay, let's go down. There's a little lion right over there, which is kind of more part of that store, but sometimes the lions will be like a guardian in front of stuff. Temples, usually. So we got a little place to eat right here, some noodles. We're gonna walk right into Zhongshan Street. Looks like it's gonna be a lot of shopping. But through it, we'll give you another idea of what Haikou is all about. So even a sink right here too. Let's see. Lots of shopping goods. So that's the alley that we started at. So let's move on in here a little bit. So yeah, nice, more food. So that looks kind of tasty too. Hello. So we're gonna keep on walking down. And then we got more alleys down that way as well. So I don't know if this would also be considered part of Zhongshan Street, but you can see that it goes all the way down like that. But we're just gonna keep going down the straight way down because I don't want to get off of the road that I'm gonna label this as. So it looks like that's the main street right down that way. Hello. And I think this is going to keep on going down. And then I think there's a temple down this way. Let me just see. So I was kind of walking around here last night, and there's a temple way down there. I might. I'm gonna go down that way a little bit later. But we're gonna go down this way because I'm gonna continue going straight down the road. Police station. Let me see. So lots of places to eat in here, and I think that this is gonna. So I think this looks like it's. I could actually go down that way, but I think what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna look for this church, temple. So there was a temple that I saw last night. So we're gonna look for that. Man, that guy's really on the horn a lot. This guy's really likes that horn. Okay, so we're gonna go down this way. Yeah, one guy can do all the noise pollution for the whole city, and then it feels like everybody does that, but it's this one guy. It's still the same horn. I can hear the same tone and everything. So I'm pretty sure this goes near a temple, and I think I saw it last night. So we're gonna explore and see. Yeah, I remember this little barber shop here. Got some food there. Is that the same guy again? No, somebody different. Sounded like the same horn sound. That woman has the same jacket that the... Hello! Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling down, and we're gonna try to find that temple if we can. So I think I remember seeing the temple straight down this way. I think here a lot of people are used to streamers, so when I have the camera, I don't think they've seen this little square style, but they usually would think I'm streaming. But usually the streamers will have different equipment, but they'll use their phone and they'll use a light, like a small little circular light. Little alleys. Okay. Lots of clothing shops in here as well. Overalls. It's kind of cool. Yeah, actually this street looks like a little bit of a fashion street. Let me just see. So that's where we were just coming from, down that way. It's kind of funny because there's a lot of motorbikes in here, but I saw a lot of motorbikes in the fresh fruits and vegetables and fish, and that made sense because they would actually buy stuff and put it on their bike. But I don't know the motivation for them to come through the fashion clothing one, because they don't have anything on their bike. They're just trying to take a shortcut, I guess. They don't want to be in the regular traffic for some reason. But then they have to honk their horn a lot in this case. We got some food here. Yeah, people are pretty friendly towards the camera. You know, I thought I was going to see this temple, but there's a lot of different alleys in here, so there's gold. But I don't see that. I don't see the temple that I thought I was going to see. Perhaps says Alaska. That's cool. I haven't seen. That looks really cool. See a hat that says Alaska. I never see hats that say Alaska. So here it looks like so that looks like kind of a temple kind of thing right there, with kind of Lingnan style architecture even. It's kind of red. There's like a red motorbike, red, kind of a red theme. So let me see if we can find this temple in here. I might actually end this video. There's the street right there called Dongshan. So that's actually called Dongshan Road. Hello. So that's called Dongshan. Let me come around real quick. So that's Dongshan, and then this is Deshengsha, which I probably mispronounced, but see if I can move around a little bit. Oh, there's a temple over there. So I've been talking about that temple anyways. So we're definitely going to walk over there. So then I'll probably come to an end for this particular video. See, I would come right to the temple. There it is. So yeah, that's the one I saw last night when I was walking around in the alleys. So I don't know if I can go in or not, but that's actually like a community temple right there. So let me just kind of see. Hello. It's a hospital. Hospital? Oh. So I'm not gonna go, maybe I'll go in a little bit. It's beautiful. So actually I think some of these temples have a long history here. Let me see if I can find a sign. There's another one called 5 something. I'm just gonna. Even the dragon's up on top there. So, okay. So this one looks like 1489. Some of these are like 1400s, right? 1447, 1512. So this must go back to that time period. And we're gonna end this video right here.